Hi, my name is Stephanie Robbins, and I am the CEO and President of Robbins Plumbing here in Phoenix, Arizona. And today I would love to educate you on what are cleanouts. When you have a stoppage and you call into our office, one of the first things that we ask you is, do you have cleanouts? And most of our clients have no idea what that is. So let's ponder for a minute and educate together what are cleanouts. Cleanouts are the access point that is code required to be able to access your sewer line. So your sewer line is under the ground, right? And so the difference between a sewer line and a drain system is your sewer is outside, your drain system's inside. But all your plumbing is hidden because it's ugly. Unless it's copper, then it's not. But so cleanouts are that access point where if there's a stoppage, we can run a cable through there. A lot of my clients think that, oh yeah, I have cleanouts, they're on the roof. Those are not cleanouts. Those are vents. They are allowing air into your system, but they should not be where you are running a cable through your system. Some companies, like currently Robbins Plumbing, will, in an emergency basis only, run a cable through your vent to access your sewer line, but it's not the ideal way to go, and it's a temporary Band-Aid. So cleanouts are, you should be seeing them either in your wall or in your yard. They're typically going to be black pipes that are sticking up, well, at least in Arizona, they're going to be black pipes that are sticking up in your front yard or your backyard, typically within 6 feet of your house. You want cleanouts. I genuinely, with all of my heart, believe that cleanouts are one of the most important things that you can have for your home. When you have a mainline stoppage, how that works is, well, your system is filling up with sewage. And everything that every time you turn on a sink, so if you have a stoppage and it has nowhere to go, and it's gonna, of course, rise. So it's going to hit every low point first. That's when your showers are filling up with sewage, your tub is filling up with sewage, underneath your toilets are starting to let go from the pressure and they broke the wax ring, and then there's sewage in your bathroom. This could all be alleviated by popping a clean out. They're a miracle. Would you rather your yard fill with sewage or your bathroom? The option is there for you. So that's why I think cleanouts are so important. Stoppages happen to everyone in life, whether we want them to or not. But there is a clean out out front, and you know what it is, and your inside's freaking out, and you're like, I'm the calm one, watch this. And you pop that clean out, run when you do it, but thank you. My tip here is done. As far as maintenance for your cleanouts, you're not really going to maintain cleanouts. They're there. They should be working, right? But they're the access points so we can run cables. But as far as maintaining your sewer line, this is that important part. We want to make sure that your sewer line and your drain system is being used correctly. You're not going to want to put grease down there. I have a whole video on all the things not to do. But as far as maintaining it, we want to make sure that you are, if your house is older than 10 years old, you've ever had a stoppage before, you get on a routine maintenance of a camera inspection, and then from that camera inspection, the plumber will give advice on, hey, we should be clearing out this grease and buildup. Your home's 20 years old, 30 years old, mine's 40 years old, right? So it's something that I'm hyper aware of, but my system actually still looks pretty good. Just saying. It should. I own a plumbing company. You want to make sure that your cleanouts are, you can open them, right? Because that's going to do, like I said, protect your property. If they're seized shut and you can't open them, it's not going to help you much. So you want to make sure that that's done. And you want to make sure you know where they are. If you watch this video and you go looking outside, where are my cleanouts, and you can't find them, you need to call me. We will help you find them or get them installed because they're insanely important. So if you don't see black pipes sticking up out of the ground out front, usually near the driveway, or if you have an alley, it may be going toward the backyard. If you don't know where they are, you want to know where they are, because the vent on your roof is not your clean out. So that's super, super important. Clean outs are a code requirement for a reason, and they are going to protect the health of your home and your family when and if that day comes that you have a stoppage. So if you don't see those black pipes sticking out of the ground, you're trying to drain your pool, that kind of thing, you definitely want to reach out to my team. We will find them or we will get them installed for you. So you can reach out to us at 623-486-4657, or of course on our website at robinsplumbing.com.